Hi there, we have a tiny Temu order. First item, very excited about this. It's my little punch. And there we go, and it pops open like that, and there you go. Yay! Here's some of my fairy journals. So here we go. They have lots of different stickers. Very enjoyable. And here's another one. Christmas is coming up. You're going to start seeing some Christmas videos come out. Here we go. There's a whole assortment. I love bunnies, if you don't know that already. Little ducky, little Santa. And then these are my new favorite thing. And this is what I'm super excited about. Are these rolls. Go. I'm very excited about these. I can show you what I use them for. I have a journal that I've been working on. Let me get everything out of the way here. There we go. It's a fairy journal. And what I've done, let's see if I can find a page with it down further. So I've used these rolls and I've made a scenery out of them. I did mention it was a tiny Temu haul. All of this will go towards my journals that I've been making, which I will do some videos on them coming up in the future. You take care. See you at the next video.